Moving on with SOLIDWORKS drawing views. Today's tutorial I'm going to talk about the broken view. So as of now you can see that I have this simple profile, and it's kind of very large part, but if I go to my drawing from this part, so let's go to file and go for make drawing from part, and you can choose any of the sheet you want to. That's not a big deal. And when I drag my front view, or let's say insert my standard views or anything like that, I'll choose my view palette and then drag the front view from here. So you can see that the profile is very long and you don't see any detailing on this one, right? So first of all, let's fix the drawing. So I'll click the drawing view, and then let's undo this, and you can keep it like that, but that's not a big issue. I will change the display style to hidden lines removed, and then I'll change it to custom scale so that it's more visible, 1:2. Okay, so it's more clear. You can also make it a different scale. Let's try something like 1:1. Okay, this looks much better. Now in this kind of situation where you have a very long part, and then when you try to put it on the drawing view, it goes out of the sheet. So in this case, you can either go for a custom sheet size, but there is also a handy tool inside SolidWorks which will make your work easier. So this is simply a profile, right? If I drag my top view, so let's make it even bigger using custom scale. 1:2 is fine. I don't want the projector view, I'll just select this one. What's going on? Select this, delete it. Okay, this is our top view, and then I'm going to change the scale to 1:2, or let's go for 1:1. Okay, much better. So this is a simple profile which is basically extruded to a length of 300 mm, right? So instead of representing the whole thing, you can break it into two sections, and then it will be more easier to represent it on the drawing sheet. To do that, we are going to utilize the break view from the SOLIDWORKS drawing option. And to do this, let's select the view first and go to break view. Now here you have two options to cut the utilize the cut direction. So if your part is vertically aligned, you can use horizontal cut, and if your part is horizontally aligned, you can use vertical cut. It's like that. So once I select my horizontal break line, I can do one line here and one line here, and this makes the view shorten and it looks much better now. You can also change the gap size, so let's say go for 5 mm. You can also play with different break line style. I'll zoom in so you can see the different break line style. I like this one, and I like jagged, so you can also change the shape intensity of the jagged. Let's go for this. You can also play with all these, and there you have the break view. All right, now if you notice that when I do the break view, the dimension is still there, which is 300 mm. That makes sense, but when you do a break view, the dimension should also be noted with a broken dimension symbol. So there is a particular symbol for this one, and to do that, let's go to annotation, smart dimension, and let's try to dimension this from here to here. We don't see any change, right? It's the same thing. Now what you can do is you go to tools, options, and in the document properties, I want you to go to dimensions, and we can go to linear, change the base linear dimension to ANSI. Okay, and once you do that, you'll see a broken dimension notation will be there, which makes more sense when you have a broken view. So that's how you can utilize the broken view inside SolidWorks. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any doubts with this one, feel free to comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.